Okay, guys, this is low cost week on fleek. Like, can you see the beauty of this week? Thank you for stopping by. I see you, my new subscribers, my old subscribers. And if you're just seeing this video for the very first time, click on the subscribe button to join us. So, guys, straight to the video. These are the things I'll be using for this video. You'll be needing expression braiding hair. This is color 30 and color 33 mixed together. Okay, so you'll be needing a straw. Now when getting a straw, make sure you get a strong straw. Don't get those normal drinking straw that is not strong. You get to make the work easy for you, and of course you'll be needing a bobby pin. So the first thing to do is to get your hair to get the hair ready for use. Now this is the process. Just put the hair like so and make sure the two lengths are equal. Then you roll the hair very tight and close together on the straw. Okay, it's a very easy step. I'll allow you guys watch through and I will be back.
Black Wall Street from my heart. Shit, I got the edge. Yeah. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Yeah, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, yeah, yeah, be the day, yeah, yeah. I will take you down after all this time. Not today, yeah, yeah, be the day, yeah, yeah. I will ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not go leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, don't say you my one and only. Do you do? Yes, of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, then I go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Call my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you the tight it. And when everything be dark, you the light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be, I the feel it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine tits. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebi koko, everything walo kasa. Mwachuku kelo welu beauty ya bossa. Kupo other girls swallow my bone dosa. Sifa no kwachuku jello, one day your bulla mo melo, your bulla kwa mo bello, no be ije mo jello. Hey, no be say me I do pass them, but it be like say I'm blessed past them. Chuku aloka. I promise to be by your side and not go leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I want you to be by my side, girl, I'm loving you plenty. Without you around me, girl, you know that I'm empty. If you feel what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing, always be here for you, baby, that is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in health, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, find me there. I say, for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there.
So guys, we're done with that process. The next thing to do is to get a boiling water and pour on top of the hair like so. Now make sure all the hair are soaked in this hot water. Like make sure your water is very hot and then make sure all the hair are soaked in properly. Okay, I went in with my scissors and make sure every strand of hair is inside the water. Now when you're done with that, you allow it sit in the water for a few minutes. Now allow it sit till the water gets cool, then drain out the water and then air dry it. Allow it to dry under the sun, then come back to it. Now the hair is all dry hair. Okay, So we are going to be removing the hair now from the straw. Now it's very easy if you're using the straw. Now in case if you can't get the straw, another alternative to this is you can use a barbecue stick or the suya stick. You can also use it for the style. But the only problem with that is that when you're removing the hair from the stick, it won't be this easy. So I still prefer using this to any other thing. Now this is the normal balloon stick, those long big balloon straw, not stick. Okay, you can go to where they say decoration, where they say balloon, big balloon for decoration. You ask them of the straw, balloon straw.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures.
So guys, when you're done with that, the next thing to do is to start making your wig. Now I use this lace as my cap. If you have a cap at home, you can use a cap, but I use this lace and then I prepare it. I made it in a way that it can be used for a wig. Okay, now if you have the normal lace cap that comes like this, you won't have to go through this process. But if you have this lace at home, you can actually turn it to a cap and make a wig. Now I do get this question: where do you get your lace from? You can get it on Amazon, AliExpress, Jumia if you're in Nigeria, or you just go to a tailor shop, ask them to give you nets. It comes in different color, then you select the color you want. Okay, now all I did was to secure it on top of the mannequin head so that it won't move while I'm sewing it. Then went in with my needle and thread and then sew it down.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
yourself why I sew it down together. Now, the reason why I did that is to make sure that the cap is properly secured. You don't want the cap to be losing in any way. After you're done with that, the next thing to do is to start making your wig. Now, for the sewing, I didn't use thread. I used the same hair I use for this hair to sew down the hair on top of the cap. Okay, as you can see, I use the normal attachment as my thread, so that you will not have that challenge of your thread will be showing and all that. I wanted everything to blend in so very well. That's why I use the attachment as my sewing thread. You get. So now to sew the hair, what I did was to grab one section of the hair, then run my hand through it, open it up this way, then I use my scissors to cut the hair into two equal parts, like so. Okay, same thing, run my hand through it, open it up like so, then grab my scissors and cut it into two equal parts. Okay, then I placed it on top of the cap like so, and then I started stitching it down. It's that simple. Now, to make everything easy, I use a T-pin to secure the very end. It gets so that it won't be moving while I'm sewing. Then I use my needle and thread, grab the hair together. Okay, grab the last one, then I'll start sewing.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So guys, after sewing down the hair, I went in with my coconut oil. I apply throughout the hair. If you have any hair cream, you can apply on the hair. Okay, so the next thing I did again was to pull out the baby hair round the hair. Now this makes the wig to look very natural when you put it on, to pull out small tiny hairs round from the back throughout the hair, pull it out like so. So guys, pulling the hair is really optional. Like if you don't like those baby hair lying in front of your hair, you can leave it. But this wig is customer's order, and she specifically said that she needs enough baby hair in front. So I went in again with a comb to comb out the baby hair in front. Comb it out properly, shape the hair the way you want. Just do your thing, style the hair the way you want, and you're good to go. Like, what do you think about this style, guys? Like, I love the color. Number one, I love the color of this wig. I love how the color came out. It came out looking beautiful. I couldn't put it on because it's customer's order. Like, I don't want to hear Eby, who gave you the order to wear my wig, like an official, guys. Okay, guys, if you've watched till now, I appreciate. I hope and I know you've already subscribed. Thank you for subscribing, guys. I'll be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.